Data Module starts around about 8 years ago to develop their own touchscreens. Of course, following by the mobile, by the consumer market. With the phone, everybody knows. And Data Module was one of the first who was introducing a PCAP solution in the industrial field. And that brings us to a lot of challenges and a lot of opportunities, and our customers was quite interested in this kind of technology. And therefore we are starting a quite strong partnership with our controller IC vendor, let's say. Nowadays it's Microchip, former Atmel, and we build up the first PCAP screens for the industrial field. And with this kind of step in, we offered our customer a value add. We call it value add, so adding a PCAP screen on a TFT. Data Module is the biggest distributor at TFTs in Europe, but that is nowadays not enough. So our customers are looking for expand technologies, and PCAP is one of them. And with the growth of PCAP, we start to do a lot of effort in cover glass designs, because with PCAP you have the opportunity to print your glass, to do different shapes, to do different surface treatments. And the combination at the end, it's called the optical bonding. And that makes us in Europe very unique to add a touchscreen with a cover glass, and on the rear side at the end is a TFT. And Data Module had a lot of experience in TFT business since years, and we tried to combine both technology, a huge amount of TFTs and different kind of brightness, different kind of viewing angles, so everything is very interesting. But adding a PCAP becomes, in the industrial market, very, very important. So, and the rest, Data Modules can do the tuning of the PCAP system. So we have finished the assembly of the cover glass, of the touch panel, doing the optical bonding, adding the TFT. Data Module is very strong in tuning the touch system. And at the end, we finally introduce a new controller generation with a customer or a supplier called ILITEK. And finally, we have a very, very great portfolio, starting from 3-inch up to 32-inch with great PCAP solutions. Nowadays, I can say with our both controller solutions with Microchip and ILITEK, we are on a very, very high, let's say, performance level. So means we can operate with several fingers, so-called multi-touch. We can operate under glove operation. We can operate under liquid influence, so even in the water spillage. So everything is nowadays possible. And I can say the PCAP technology is at the moment in a very, very high and stable level in case of environment conditions. So, and then comes the question up, what is the future? What is the trends? What can happen in the PCAP market? And of course, we have a look again in the consumer field. So means we are looking in haptic feedback. We are looking in gesture control. So means operating a PCAP screen without touching it. Latest, the force touch technology, we know it from the iPhone.